Introduction to Conditional Formatting.
This is conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel allows you to automatically highlight cells based on their values or specific rules. This powerful feature makes it easy to spot trends, identify outliers, and understand data patterns at a glance. Whether you're comparing sales, tracking progress, or organizing information, conditional formatting can help make important details stand out.
Where to find conditional formatting?
To use conditional formatting, open your Excel worksheet and select the range of cells you want to format. Then, go to the Home tab on the ribbon and click on Conditional Formatting. This menu includes a variety of options, such as highlighting cells greater than a certain value, applying color scales, or using custom rules.
Applying a basic highlight rule.
A common way to use conditional formatting is to highlight cells that meet a specific condition. For example, you can highlight all values greater than 100. Once you select your data, choose Highlight Cells Rules from the menu. Then pick a rule like greater than and set your value. Excel will instantly highlight matching cells.
Using color scales and data bars.
Conditional formatting isn't just about highlighting specific cells. You can also use color scales to show how values compare across your data, or data bars to visually indicate the size of each value. These tools make large datasets easier to analyze, helping you spot high and low points quickly.
Creating custom conditional formatting rules.
Excel lets you customize your formatting rules for more complex needs. Click on Conditional Formatting, then choose New Rule. Here you can define your own logic, such as highlighting weekends in a date column or sales targets not met. Adjust formatting styles to suit your preferences and keep your data both clear and visually appealing.
Managing and removing conditional formatting.
If you want to change or remove conditional formatting, return to the Conditional Formatting menu and select Manage Rules. Here you can edit, delete, or reorder your rules to control how formatting is applied. Clearing unwanted rules can help keep your worksheet neat and easy to interpret as your data changes.
Conclusion: enhance your data with conditional formatting.
With conditional formatting, Excel users can make data analysis faster and more intuitive. This feature highlights important information automatically, so you can focus on making decisions rather than searching through rows and columns. Try using conditional formatting to transform your next spreadsheet into a more powerful and visual tool.